What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Erin, and I promise I am usually so much more put together than this, but I am going to finally see a dermatologist today. I made this appointment like 3 months ago, and this is the earliest they could see me, so I have absolutely nothing on my face right now, but I really need to get back into filming. My schedule is so messed up. I've been sick, and I'm not really gonna sit here and make excuses. I haven't been in the mood, I've been sick, so instead of putting out crap content, like right now, I wanted to just take a break and do a little refresher, but I really wanted to get a video out today for you guys, so here we are. Today is going to be another Trunk Club unboxing, first impressions, review of what I got. So instead of me just blabbing about it, you're probably here because you know what Trunk Club is. I'm going to get right into this review. I'm just kidding. Before I get into this review, please like this video. You can subscribe down below. And I have been styling a lot of these pieces. I mean, I filmed this at the end of April. So I filmed this over a month ago. I received this box over a month ago. But like I said, a lot has happened in the last month and I've been kind of in a funk. So I'm finally filming it. So a lot of these pieces have been styled on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me there at Erin Heartbreak. And now we'll get into this video. So these first shoes, I think this was one of the first things that I actually even took out of the box. Love. If I'm wearing shoes, they're either Steve Madden or Sam Edelman. They are so comfortable. They are honestly reasonably affordable. They're definitely like $100 plus, but for the quality and the comfort that you're getting, they're trendy. Steve Madden likes to do a lot of dupes off of designers, and Sam Edelman is just classic pieces. Their silhouettes are always so nice. So this pair of pumps were metallic snakeskin heels, and I was obsessed with them. With them having the animal print and then being metallic and a color, they're just super trendy, but they're really comfortable. They're a great height. I've worn them out for date nights. I've worn them to work. I just love them, and I get so many compliments on them. So the second pair of heels I really liked, but I already have so many pairs of nude heels, and I know you can have like 100 different versions and they can all be different, but I just didn't want to spend the money on something I already had, but then I kind of regret it because I really wish I could put them on. They were these Michael Kors nude heels. They were $100, and they were a snug fit, but it was like a perfect fit. I knew that my heel wasn't gonna come out. I knew my toes weren't cramped. They just slid in perfectly, and they were super comfortable. I just already own so many shoes that if I'm going to purchase something, I want them to be a little bit different than what's already in all of my shoe shelves. So my stylist actually sent me 2 hats, which I don't know why. I don't know if I selected, this is so long ago now. I don't know if I asked for a hat, especially 2 hats. That's not usually me, but I did receive 2 and I did return both of them. So I received a white hat and an off-white hat, and I love the idea of a white hat with just like a crisp white tee or a white bodysuit and mom shorts or mom jeans in the summer, wedges, flats, like leather wraparound sandals, just it's so European and I love it so much, but I already have 2 hats. I actually found a great dupe on Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys. But the hats were just too big, and they weren't unreasonably priced. They were both $40. I actually wore this blouse the night I got the box to this gala that I was sponsoring, and it is a Topshop blouse. It's a red blouse, and it was $60. And at first I was like, ooh, this is kind of expensive. $60 for a blouse, but it's the quality that is just you can't compare it. You cannot compare the quality. It is so beautiful and soft, and the details, I just loved it so much. I did need to clip the chest part together because I was just hanging out. So not cute, especially to an event that I'm sponsoring, but I love the scallop details on it. It was just so well made and cute and flirty. You could definitely wear it with jeans too. Does not need to be dressed up. And the color popped. So I received another pair of jeans. I did get this pair of jeans. They were $89 and they fit perfectly. My only problem is I only wear high-rise jeans, and these were a mid-rise. It's just a comfort level for me. It's not even about how they look. I just feel comfortable in a high-waisted jean. So I did return these. They also had like a green tint, and if you are a denim person, you will understand what I'm saying, but it was like a green wash, and I just didn't see it picking up with a lot of items that I already wear. I would try the brand again, and I'm sorry, I didn't write the brand down, and I don't have my Trunk Club folder with me because it's been over a month, but I would wear the brand again. If my stylist is watching this, please send them just in high-waisted, please. So, bodysuits. My problem with the bodysuits in the Trunk Club boxes are they are so expensive and absolute shit material. Like, I don't understand it. I do not understand how you're charging $70 for a bodysuit and the material is crap. It doesn't make any sense to me. So this black bodysuit was $68. And it wasn't a thong bottom, so that's an automatic return for me. I'm not purchasing anything that is not the exact detail that I like, especially for that price point. The material was nice, but for $68, I expect the best, especially in a bodysuit. I did love the neckline. It was super flattering. It just was way too expensive for the quality, basically. This next blouse looked so silly on me. It was so bad. So this black blouse was $69, and it made me look like a pinhead. I do not have a large head, and I felt like a freaking bobblehead walking around. So there were shoulder pads on this. It was a really nice material, but I just don't wear a lot of black in the summer. I don't know what it is. My closet is color coordinated, and I never go to that side of my closet. It's not time. Like, black is not for me in the summer. It's really a stretch. If I wear it, it's maybe like once or twice and that's it. So this next black dress, and I was thinking, it's just a black dress. When am I ever going to need a black dress? And then my grandmother passed away 2 days later, so I kept the black dress because I needed something for the funeral. I did like the dress. I liked it a lot. It was super flattering. It was $98. I own something similar from H&M in a green, but just, again, the quality and the attention to detail on a woman's body when this dress was made, you can't compare it. You just can't. It really was so flattering, and it was really breathable for spring and summer. I would recommend if you're looking for one. I'm pretty sure it did come in other colors as well that you could have selected, but if you're looking for just a basic piece, this was really good. So this has absolutely sorry, I am like jittery. This has absolutely nothing to do with this Trunk Club unboxing, but it was weird how that week kind of unfolded because I received so many PR boxes, and the Trunk Club dress just came at the perfect time for what was going on with my family. So then I also received the snack subscription box from Variety Fun, and it came in just the most perfect time. I brought this with us in the limousine for the services. I left it at my mom's house because she had a ton of family staying with her for the services, and it was so nice for us to just be able to grab this, pass it around the room, and everyone was able to find something that they enjoyed. Everything that you could want, chips, crackers, cookies, peanuts, healthy. It was so perfect. So honestly, Variety Fun, thank you so much, because that box could not have come during a more perfect or awful time for us. Now back to the Trunk Club unboxing. Review, whatever. So I only have a couple more items, guys, and this next pair of pants, my God, they are so perfect. They are $69, and they are this green high-waisted, like, paper bag tie waist pant, and they are perfect. Like, the material, the fit, the length, the detail, how my body looked, just everything about them was amazing. If I could recommend anything from Nordstrom, it would be these pants. They were phenomenal. So this skirt, this black mini thing, was $45. They sent it to me in an extra small. I'm not an extra small. Like, I'm pushing a medium nowadays. It's kind of sad, but sorry if anyone takes offense to that. It's just when you've been a small your whole life and then you go into a different size, it hurts a little bit. So this skirt wouldn't zip. It was terrible, terrible material. And it just, like, honestly, I felt like a boo-hoo-ho. It was just so, not trashy, just cheap. Like, I didn't look expensive. And this black mini skirt was trash. So here I have a black clutch, and it was $95. Ugh. Would not recommend this clutch. Maybe it's your style, but I'm sure if you are subscribed to my channel, you know I can find way better bags for way less money. So I wouldn't recommend this black clutch. So for $95, honey, I returned that. I literally just like dropped it back into the trunk club box. Like, nah. Not happening. 2 more items. This next bodysuit, I was so torn. So it was $79, and this white bodysuit, I'm so torn. Like, loved it and I hated it. I loved how I looked with it on, but if I were to have moved at all, I felt like the whole thing was about to bust. So it also had like the hooks, eye hooks. Ooh, I'm so bad at this, you guys know that. But it had hooks in the crotch area, like not clasps, not Velcro. It was a hook, which was kind of weird, difficult to get on, and I couldn't zip it all the way. Like, I could not fully put this on by myself, and my husband wasn't home, but the material was so freaking nice. For a white bodysuit basic, the material was perfect, and I probably would have bit the bullet and just gotten it if it was like a centimeter bigger and had a thong bottom. So for me, with a bodysuit being so tight like that, I'm not able to manipulate it up my butt basically, and it's just not gonna work for me. And if I'm gonna pay $79 for something, I want it to be absolutely perfect. Okay guys, last item, and it was so scary. Like, putting this on was so much for me and my style. So this dress was $145, and it was just too much. The color was pretty vibrant, but I think the color was just so much because of the material and all of the details. Like, the keyhole, the sash, the sleeves, I don't even know how to explain this dress. It was so ugly on me. Maybe someone else can wear it better or style it better, but for me it was an absolutely, like, no, nope, don't do it. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Excuse my appearance, but honestly, my goal this summer is to get my skin in a full check. I feel like my monthly hydrofacials and everything else has just been really helping, and hopefully the dermatologist can get rid of any problematic areas. So be prepared to no longer see me wear makeup and be tan and having fun. I love summer. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye everyone.